From the innovators at Rival Systems comes the next evolution in multi-asset trading, Rival One. Global traders can now pursue futures, equities, and crypto opportunities across multiple exchanges and brokers from a fully hosted cloud-based platform. Firms can view real-time risk across all of their accounts, setting pre-trade limits, monitoring margin, calculating option Greeks, and simulating various market conditions without spending anything on hardware or hosting. Rival One was built for today's trader in their pursuit of global market opportunities with enhanced access, features, and performance from one easy-to-use and more efficient front-end solution. With out-of-the-box algos, advanced charting, APIs, and an auto-spreader with the power to trade across all exchanges and asset classes, all built on Rival's proven ultra-low latency engine. Rival One delivers everything you need to conquer the market. And, to top it off, Rival One is a cost-efficient solution with one monthly fee to trade on all exchanges and no transaction fees. Rival Systems has leveled up the advanced trading experience, and it's time you've met the one, Rival One.